Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study science effectively. Start by actively engaging with your study materials. Instead of passively reading, ask yourself questions and try to predict outcomes. This method helps you process information deeply, leading to better retention. Aim to explain concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else, to solidify your understanding. This active approach is crucial for mastering scientific principles. Next, focus on consistent practice and application. Science isn't just about memorizing facts, it's about applying principles. Work through a variety of practice problems, from basic exercises to more complex challenges. This helps you see how concepts work in different situations. Don't shy away from mistakes. They are valuable learning opportunities. Regular practice builds confidence and problem-solving skills. Visual aids are incredibly powerful tools for studying science. Create your own diagrams, flowcharts, or concept maps to illustrate relationships between ideas. Seeing information visually can help you grasp complex processes and structures more easily. For example, drawing a cell or a chemical reaction can make it much clearer than just reading about it. This method enhances conceptual understanding significantly. Finally, implement effective review strategies. Don't cram. Instead, review your material regularly over time using spaced repetition. This means revisiting topics at increasing intervals. Self-testing is also vital. Quiz yourself often to pinpoint areas where your understanding is weak. Summarize main points in your own words to ensure you truly grasp the core concepts. Consistent review prevents forgetting and builds long-term knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.